Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to sell on limit. So again, as always, put your ticker symbol in, your action, you're going to go to sell, your price type, we're going to do limit. Over here, typically what I like to do with my limit price, I like to put it in between the bid and ask. So right here you see it's $77.23 and $77.57. So I'll go about halfway in between the two. So I'll do about $77.37. And I like to do it a little bit less than half just to get a better price. And do quantity 10. Usually I like to do for good for day for these type of orders. Again, all or none. Hit preview. And then I'm not going to place the order, but that's pretty much it. So thanks you guys for watching. Remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe for more future content.